Hello dear students, welcome back to your chemistry class, and today we'll start our next topic, relative atomic masses. At page number 15, underline its definition. The relative atomic mass or atomic weight of an element is the number of times one atom of element is heavier than 1/12th times of the mass of an atom of carbon 12. So now let's understand its definition. Mass of hydrogen atom is calculated as 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 24 kg. That is extremely small. So using unit gram or kilogram for the atoms is impractical. So scientists in 19th century found a solution to this. They assigned special unit of measurement for mass of atoms. That time there was no proper technique to measure mass, so they just measure mass relative to another mass. They used special unit AMU, that is atomic mass unit. Now I said scientists just measure mass relative to another mass. Let's understand this. If you go to buy 1 kg sugar, then shopkeeper use weights. That means he gives you one sugar by comparing it with 1 kg weight. It is relative mass, means you don't know the actual mass of sugar, but you are comparing the weight of sugar with the 1 kg weight. So when you have one fixed reference and use that comparing to other, that was done by the scientist, and it is called relative atomic mass. For relative atomic mass, they took mass of hydrogen atom would be assigned as mass of 1 AMU. Why they chose hydrogen? Because hydrogen is the lightest element. But from 1961, scientists decided hydrogen is not good idea to use as a reference. So reference would be carbon. Carbon has 3 isotopes, so they chose carbon 12. What are isotopes? Isotopes are the elements which have same atomic number but different mass number. So they choose carbon with mass number 12 as reference. And it is assumed that 1 AMU, that is 1 atomic mass unit, is equal to 1/12th mass of carbon 12, and the symbol U can be used for atomic mass. So as unit for atomic mass we can use AMU, or we can use as simple U. So this is the definition. Relative atomic masses means these are not the actual mass of the atoms, but these are comparing with the carbon 12. In starting of your book, relative atomic masses of different elements are given. So means these are not actual masses, these are the masses that we calculated by comparing their masses to the carbon 12. Why we use relative atomic masses? Because mass of atom is very small. So to make the calculation easier, we use relative atomic masses. And if you see, hydrogen, mass of hydrogen is 1.008, helium is 4.003, lithium is 6.941. To make the calculations more simple, we round these figures. Means 1.0, it will become 1. 4.0, so mass of helium will be 4. 6.9, so we'll round it, so lithium, mass of lithium will be 7. 9.0, it will be 9. 10.8 means it will be 11. So you know how to we round the figures. So these relative atomic masses you can get from this page, but do not use the whole mass. We have to round up these. So like chlorine, it is 35.